Welcome to Research Insights. The National Bank of Romania slashed interest rates by 50 basis points this week. Not the rate cut per se, but its size came as a surprise. Doran, the National Bank of Romania seems to become the boldest in lowering rates in the region. Can the recent cut of 50 basis points be justified?
Besides the roundly expected decline in the inflation rate towards 3.2% in September, I think there are two more reasons behind the step up in the monetary policy decision. The first is the extremely weak private consumption, which has been weighed down pretty significantly by a negative disposable income in the first half of this year. The second is the recent decision of the cabinet to fully shift mortgage loans under Prima Casa to RON. In order to have to keep this new product competitive, we need much lower RON rates. And I think that this would be possible as of September.
What are the risks of the monetary easing?
The main risk, in my opinion, would be a RON depreciation. Of course, there are also positive factors that outbalance those risks. The first is the new IMF arrangement we have now in the pipeline. The second would be a carefully conducted managed policy, free-floating managed policy by the central bank. I think, and we see the FX rate Euro-RON at 4.5 at the end of this year. It is now trading at around 4.4. This is the main risk that we could see in the near future.
Do you think that lower rates will stimulate growth?
I think that indeed lower rates will stimulate RON lending in particular, and I think that we have pretty good chances of RON lending getting a second wind in the last part of this year.
Where and when do you see the end of the cycle of rate cuts?
In our baseline scenario, we see another 2 rate cuts delivered by the central bank by the end of this year. This means the key rate will stand at around 4% in December. Now it stands at 4.5. Afterwards, I think that the central bank will take a pause and will also take stock to see if its actions will have had a positive impact on the Romanian economy. So for the time being, we see the central bank keeping the key rate flat at 4% throughout 2014.
Doran, thank you for joining us, and thanks for watching Research Insights.